Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, welcome to Freebie Monday on a Monday for the first time in a long time. Now, we got some watch faces for you all to check out. Now, you're going to be able to find these on the home page of the Gear Manager store. And I need to let you know that I'm not going to leave a link to every single watch face because these are easy to find. They're on the home page. We're going to review one that I thought was worthy of an up close review. I hope you all understand. But listen, there's 6 total watch faces in all for you all to check out, and they're all free. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's review this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Still Light. This is about Futurum. The guy always does great work on watch faces. Now, looking at this watch face, it's going to be energy efficient, especially with that black background. I like the look of this analog watch face, and even in the AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. I really like the way the arms light up on this watch face, but once it's on, you're going to get a smooth second hand. Of course, you're going to get an analog look, and you're going to get your moon phase up at the top along with the month. Over here is going to give you your step status info. You're going to get your battery info in here as well, your date right here, and you're going to get tons of shortcuts along with the fact that you got a nice stylish second hand that's creeping around the bezel of the watch just as nice. So you're going to be able to tap into your music. You got tons of shortcuts. Your alarm, you can come down, you can go into your settings, tweak your watch however you see fit. Also, you can tap here, go into your S health, get your calories burned, floors climb, sleep, steps, everything you need to check on your steps and your heart rate. So this is not a bad looking watch face considering that it is free, right? Because you get your contacts, you get messages, you can single tap right here, get the weather, as you can see how cold it is here. And you also can make a phone call, get your S voice if you use S voice. This watch face is definitely full of features to make this watch face super convenient once you have it on your wrist. Now, if I tap right here, I'm going to be able to set my favorite shortcut to make it even just that much more convenient as well. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Don't forget, you got 5 other watch faces to check out and download. Don't forget, they're on the home page of the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.